Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a case transplant, or rather computer into a new case transplant. So I've got this CIT case which costs 20 quid with a power supply included, and to be honest I've built a PC in it and there's absolutely no airflow whatsoever and it just overheats all the time. This has got the single slot GPU that I showed in a previous video that does still work, I promise. And I'm going to put it into this Master Box 5 that I unboxed in a previous video. So we'll get cracking with the time lapse, eh? Right, let's go. Hope you enjoyed the build, guys. All I need to do now is test it. So it's got a FX8320, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and two 5770s in there. And one of them, of course, is the single slot card that I mutilated in a previous video. So tune in another time, and I'll show you how all this guy games.